Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a cylindrical block of wax. Diameter is given, but because they give me diameter, usually Mr. Tan here like to just indicate the radius, which is half of 3, 1.5 cm. Height is 5 cm. Now, this wax, they are going to melt it and reshape it into a pyramid. Square base ACM, height is 4 cm. Calculate the volume of the cylinder. Part A is pretty straightforward. Please remember, for part A, for volume of a cylinder, it is simply the base area times the height, and the base area is actually pi r square. Circle. Height is 5 cm. Alright. So from here, I would be able to get the following. It will be equals to 11.25 pi, which will be equals to 35.3429. About 6 significant figure. Final answer 35.3. So that's for part A. Part B. If it is going to be melted, what things remains unchanged? Yes, the volume is unchanged. So for part B, now that I know the volume here or here, then I will be able to get the pyramid. So for pyramid, right, the volume of a pyramid though, please remember, volume of a pyramid is 1 over 3 times the base area times the height of the pyramid. Okay, and this one we already know will be equal to 11.25 pi. The volume. So from here I will be able to gather that this is A, base area is a square, A times A square. Height is 4. This is equal to 11.25 pi. So from here, I would then be able to get the following answer. So my A square is simply equals to 11.25 pi. I will just need to divide by 1 over 3 and divide by 4. And after which, since A is a length, and so I just need to square root the whole thing and take the positive root. And so this will give me a value of 5.1485 to about 5 significant figure. Final answer 5.15. Let's take a look at part C. Find the total surface area of this particular pyramid then. So now that we know the length of A, it makes things easier. So I'm going to just go back to this pyramid. And to indicate this, so I hope you can see this green color. Right angle triangle. Because I would then need to find this slanted height. of the triangle here. Because I can see 4 triangles, right? So since I now know the value of A is equals to 5.1485, then I will be able to get the length here, which is simply 5.1485 divided by 2. And after that, by making use of the Pythagoras theorem, I will then be able to get the slant height. Slant height is simply 4 square plus 5.1485 divided by 2 square root. Right? And that one will be equals to 4.75676. And therefore, from here, I can then find my part C already. Why? Because the total surface area of this pyramid would then be equals to the base area, which is the square, plus the 4 triangular face. Yep. So the square is pretty straightforward. The square would be 5.1485 square. And my triangle, I will have 4 triangle multiplied by half times base 5.1485 times the height, which is the slanted height, 4.75676, to give me a final answer of 75.4874, 75.5 cm square to 3SF. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.